Hello, friends. Welcome to Literary Concepts. So, today's grammar topic is preposition and its kind. So, the topic preposition is one of the most important in English grammar, important topic in the English grammar, and moreover, so this is also useful for competitive exams also. So, here today we are going to learn the basic concept of the preposition. So, what is a preposition? So, a preposition is a word. So, it is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship to another word in the sentence. So, preposition, the word which used before the noun or pronoun, which shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to other words in the sentence. So it shows the relationship between noun or pronoun to other words in the sentence, and the preposition also shows direction, place, time, cause, manner, or position. So it also shows expresses the direction, place, time, cause, manner, or position. So that is the basic definition of the preposition. So it is in a simple manner, preposition words tells a relationship between noun and the other words in a sentence. So example prepositions: at, in, on, by, for, from, to, with, about, under, over, between, during, before, after, through, around, across, against, among, etc. So these are the some of the example words of preposition. So I hope that we people are using when we speak or write English language. So these prepositions, these are very common and known prepositions to everyone. Now try to understand about the kinds of prepositions. We have three kinds of prepositions. One is simple preposition, the second one is compound prepositions, and the third kind is phrasal prepositions. Now, the first kind of preposition is simple preposition. So the simple prepositions are one word prepositions. See, simple prepositions are very simple. They have only one word. Okay, they are one word prepositions. So which shows the relationship between noun or a pronoun to and other words in a sentence. So simple prepositions examples are at, in, on, by, for, from, to, of, up, down, with, under, over. So these are simple prepositions. If you just observe these words, so these are just only one word prepositions. So how do we use them in sentence? Here, let us observe these sentences. She is at the park. Okay, at is a simple preposition. The next sentence is the book is on the table. On is simple preposition. He came from Delhi. From is simple preposition. So this is how we use simple preposition in sentences. I hope that you understand the simple preposition. Now let us go to the second kind of preposition, that is compound preposition. Compound means combining. Okay, so compound prepositions are formed by adding a prefix. So compound prepositions, so they were framed by adding a prefix. Prefix means, so the word or the letter which is added in the beginning. Okay, prefixes like a, b, by, in, etc. So two simple prepositions. are the other words. For example, see compound prepositions, they are formed by just adding prefixes to simple prepositions. Let us uh, see the examples in to. Okay, see here in is added as a prefix to. Up, on. So simple on is a simple preposition, up is a prefix. So with, in is a simple preposition, with is a prefix. So it has become within. So, like that, without, behind, beneath, beside, before, below, about, around, beyond, among. See, these are the some of the example words of compound prepositions. If we just find, if we just observe in sentences, then example sentences are like this. She walked into the room. Into is a compound preposition. The gift is behind the curtain. So behind is a compound preposition. He stayed within the limits. So within is a compound preposition. So compound preposition is formed by adding a prefix to simple prepositions. I hope that you understand the concept of compound prepositions. Now, the third kind of preposition is phrasal prepositions. See, phrasal prepositions also known as prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. So these are also called prepositional phrases. So phrasal prepositions are groups of words. Okay, these are group of words that function as a single preposition. So we find two or more words, so which work as a single preposition. Generally, they consist of, okay, we find a preposition plus noun or adjective or adverb plus preposition. So example, because of. Of is a preposition. Okay, because. So because of, it is combination of two words. Due to, combination of two words. In front of, it is a combination of three words. Just like that, in spite of, on behalf of, according to, in addition to, with regard to, out of, by means of, these are the some of the example words of phrasal preposition. Phrases of phrasal prepositions. In sentences, we find like this: the game was cancelled because of the rain. So, because of is a phrasal preposition. She stood in front of the class. In front of is a phrasal preposition. He spoke on behalf of the team. On behalf of is a phrasal preposition. Here we find that in all three sentences, the phrasal prepositions are group of words. So they are, we find more than two words. Okay, at least two, more than two words, and as a group this work as a, this function as a single preposition. So this is all about the kinds of prepositions. I hope that the basic concept of prepositions you understand. So thank you very much.